How to create a wish list on Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide I'm going to show you the procedure to create a wish list. So for this you just want to open the Amazon app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and you also need to make sure to sign into your account. Once logged into your account, you just want to go over to your account and list section. So for that you could actually go ahead and click on the profile at the bottom or at the bottom left corner of the screen. So here what you want to do is basically scroll down and select your list, right? So you just want to go ahead and scroll down, and there you have list and registries, right? You could go and click on the following option or click on create list. As soon as you click on the create list button, now what you want to do is name the list. So you could tap on the plus button, go ahead and click on the list or create a list. And once you've created the list, what you want to do is you can just click on add items so that you could create a wish list and add items. So let's say this is the one. Click on the add button after you've actually done. So do the same thing with the rest of the other items that you want to add it to your wish list, and this is how you can create a wish list. And like I remember earlier, what we used to do is if you want to add the item to wish list, you just go to the product, and there you could go ahead and look for the product. Let's say this is the one, and here you could find the heart icon, right? You could also click on this heart icon, and this can also be added to your shopping list or wish list. So this is also one way of adding item to your wish list, but first thing you have to create a list, and then you could go on with this. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.